Protecting our income is one of the key areas po ng financial planning. And before we proceed sa advanced areas, kailangan muna nating gawin ito ng tama. Kasi kahit ano pa pong financial goals ang gusto nating ma-achieve, it may potentially not happen because we skip taking appropriate action sa area po na ito. Let me share to you a story ng aking kaibigan who is a father of 3 and yung asawa niya naman po is also a corporate employee just like him. Now all of a sudden we received the bad news na na-diagnose daw siya ng lung cancer and nagwo-worry nga siya kung what will happen now for his family and even during the medication niya. So kami naman po mga magkakaibigan, mga relatives niya, nagtulong-tulong kahit paano, nag-pool ng funds to help with the medication and hospitalization. So at the early months, okay naman po siya but eventually he passed away, leaving behind his 3 children and yung asawa niya po now na tumatayo ng breadwinner ng family. Now, definitely it was a sad event for everyone, especially for the family. But surprisingly, sabi nung wife nga, nakwento niya sa akin, na nag-reach out sa kanya yung pinsan ng aming kaibigan to tell her na meron na simulan palang income protection plan ang aming kaibigan. With that, makaka-receive daw siya ng 2 million amount, being the main beneficiary of that plan. Siyempre, nagulat si Mrs., si wife, and quite the sad event, but nagkaroon siya ng hope because namroblema talaga siya sa pag-settle ng mga utang na na-incur and of course, sa future ng kanilang mga anak. Now, with this 2 million na fund na marireceive niya or na-receive niya, tulong talaga ito for the future of the family. Ang surprising pa nga daw is mga bago-bago pa lang itong nasimula ng kanyang asawa, mga less than 6 months pa lang. Because of that decision ng aming kaibigan to take appropriate action in protecting his income, now his family will still live a good lifestyle kahit wala na siya sa equation. And there's only one financial tool that protects our income, and that is a life insurance plan.